Hello, today I'm going to show you this awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this woman's smartwatch here with a 1.5 inches touchscreen. It is a nice fitness tracker with personalized screen. And you can personalize this screen as you like. And there's more in that watch. It's a blood oxygen measurement device, SpO2, and it can check your heart rate because it's a heart rate monitor. A pedometer, it can see or shows you your messages, your call notifications. It is waterproof, 5 atmosphere, and it's a nice watch for women. You can choose between the size of 1.5 inches, 1.3 and 1.7. And of course, you can choose between different colors. Silver, green, black, and here it is, pink. And a 1.5 inches HD color display and a personalized screen as you like. The Tensky woman's smartwatch has a nice it is not a it is a tiny 1.5 inches TFT color touchscreen with a HD resolution of 242 to 280 pixels to provide us with clear and colorful images. The slim body and the curved 2.5D glass blend seamlessly is nice and naturally. In addition, the VeryFit app, VeryFit, offers over 60 watch styles to choose from. And we can also upload our own images to the background of the dial to customize this awesome smartwatch. And for real-time health monitor, the smartwatch for women not only is a heart rate meter, and it is awesome because it can track your sleep quality. It sends an alert for unusually high heart rate. With the integrated SpO2 detection system, the smartwatch can also measure the oxygen content in the blood. This helps to estimate our own health. It can also store the menstrual cycle of the female users and discreetly remind them when the period will begin. And a personal fitness trainer for our worth. The smart watch for women out there has 14 training modes that offer the opportunity to train indoors or, as you like, outdoors. And it achieves the personal training goals by tracking the steps, the distance, and achieve personal training goals by tracking everything. Traveled. If you are going to travel with it, no problem. You can track yourself. Thanks to the continuous heart rate measurement, the smartwatch calculates the calorie consumption of its wearer and helps to optimize our training to achieve a personal health or fitness goal quickly. If necessary, the Tensky smartwatch notifies us about the input of calls, WhatsApp messages, Twitters, SMS messages from Facebook as well, and of course from other services out there, which comes from your smartphone. Thanks to the VeryFit app, we can easily use all the functions of the woman's watch, including creating sedentary reminders, running memories, and drinking water reminders, etc. A gentle vibration informs us very inconspicuous with a long battery life, and it's compatible with Android phones and iOS phones too. Thanks to an FM Bluetooth chip, The smartwatch has a standby time of up to 30 days. With normal use, it can take about 15 days. Fully charged in just only 2 hours. The woman's smartwatch works with the most smartphones on the market, and it is compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 9 or higher, of course. And it looks really cool, and you have everything what you like for training, for everyday use, and for fashion. Record training data to make our workout more professional. It supports 40 sports modes: outdoor running, outdoor walking, hiking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, cricket, yoga, pool swimming, open water swimming, rowing machine, cross trainer. The Tensky smartwatch can record our daily activities, including steps, calories burned, training distance, heart rate changes, training durations, etc., etc. And we can choose our dial depending on our mood and outfit. The match has 4 built-in dials. After connecting the phone with the VeryFit app, it goes up to 70 dials are available to choose from. In addition, the smartwatch, of course, also supports uploading photos as a dial background to create our own dial. And we have the awesome heart rate monitor, as you can see. The built-in high-performance motion sensor automatically monitors and detects our heart rate in real time. And it helps us to optimally adjust our training intensity and record calories burned, distance, steps, and more accurately. And message call notifications. We do not need to remove our phone, pair our smartphone. For men and women, we are the VeryFit of our phone to receive call reminders, SMS and SMS messages, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, LinkedIn, Skype, calendar reminders, etc. That's no problem, because the app and the phone with the app can handle this for us. And we have a parrot tracker. When we set the detail of the menstrual date in the VeryFit app, our smartwatch predicts and reminds us to prepare for the next menstruation and ovulation. And really awesome, long battery life. Smartwatches use magnetic charging. There it is, a charging cable in the package too. We only need to connect the USB port to charge the watch. The charging time is only 2 hours, and the normal use time is 15 days, and the standby time is 30 days. And for example, we have a stopwatch and countdown function. The stopwatch and countdown function can help us whenever we are exercising outdoor or cooking indoors, for example. And pressure monitoring. The mental stress level is the full stress level combined with the real-time heart rate and the blood oxygen concentration. It will tell us if we are stressed and overloaded. And 5 atmosphere waterproof. The precise design structure gives the Tensky smartwatch an excellent water resistance. We can wear it safely in the rain, in shower, and of course while we're swimming and in the pool. And the Tensky Fitness Watch has integrated advanced infrared sensors to monitor our blood oxygen, SpO2, anytime and anywhere, to help us further master our physical conditions. You can see there's more on the box, a sleep monitor. We take the Tensky smartwatch home with us to monitor our sleep status at night and better understand the sleep quality by analyzing the times of the deep sleep phase and the light sleep and the alertness to help us to sleep healthier. And of course, music control. Music playback can be controlled by the smartwatch. Pause, applause, previous next song, what we like, weather forecast, and water reminder, and lack of movement. You can see there is everything in the watch what a modern and smart watch needs. This is the Tensky woman's smartwatch with 1.5 inches touchscreen. It's a fitness tracker with a personalized screen, with blood oxygen, heart rate monitor, pedometer, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.